Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi, everyone. It's time for another edition of Case or No Case with Fox Focus. My name is Melanie Ricks, and I'm being joined by Jeff Pitman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well.
We've been doing Case or No Case for 10 years.
Wow.
I know. And so I hope everybody's enjoyed it as much as I have, and I've enjoyed having you along for the ride.
I've appreciated being here with you.
Are you ready for your scenarios?
Let's do it.
Okay. So the first one is that you're driving down the road. It's a 2-lane road for you going your direction. So you're in the right travel lane. And you're approaching an area, there's a parking lot, and a car comes flying out of that parking lot right into your lane of travel. You are able to slam on the brakes, and you are able to avoid hitting that car. That car continues, doesn't stop. The car behind you ends up rear-ending you. Wasn't able to stop when you stopped, and it's a pretty big impact. So you're pretty injured. You hurt your neck as a result of that, and also the driver that hit you also suffers some injuries as a result of that. Case or no case against the driver who pulled out of that parking lot that you were able to avoid the crash for your injuries and for the injuries of the driver that hit your car.
I would assume there's a case.
Yeah, there's probably not a case. And the reason is that number one, there wasn't an impact, right? So they didn't hit your car. Number two is that you were able to avoid the crash, right? So you were going slow enough speed, paying enough attention, you were able to slam on your brakes. And we've talked about this before. When you're driving your car, you need to leave enough space between the front of your car and the rear of the other car so that if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you're able to stop without striking that. So in this scenario, and it's usually true, whenever somebody rear ends you, they're the ones who are going to be at fault. So you would have a claim against the driver behind you.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
That's a good one. And if you're wondering whether or not you have a case, just dial the 3s. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox.com.